Hi everyone. So in the previous video, we've done different types of florals by deconstructing each florals in step by step and easy strokes. If you haven't watched them, you can go back and watch all of the other videos. It will just help you to set the base and understand this one stroke that we are exploring right now and building different types of flowers easily. Okay. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be working on tulips. Tulips are easy, fun, and really fresh and beautiful flower. You can paint this tulip. The best thing about tulip is you can paint this flower in any and every color. You can find them in red, orange, yellow, purple. Just name it and it's there. So it's the sky is the limit over here. So we'll be exploring tulip using the same stroke, but just adding another angle to the stroke that is like a C angle and creating a beautiful tulips. So let's get started. For this tutorial, we'll be continuing with our same stroke as we did in the previous one. The continuing with the cherry blossoms and the similar leaf strokes, leaf or the dewdrop stroke that I like to call, right? We are going to be painting the tulips. For to paint the tulip, we'll be using similar material throughout the entire tutorials. I'll be using same Canson 100% cellulose paper. Okay, so let's same one round 8 number brush, a fresh jar of water, a mixing tray, and watercolors. So let's get started. So to paint similar, we're going to be continuing with the same stroke. And for this, I'm going to mix a little bit of yellow to paint a tulip and a little crimson, creating a nice. So this is my crimson, okay, and I'm going to be mixing some nice warm yellow. So you can take like a Gambog hue or maybe an Indian yellow. Okay. Now let's start with the crimson and warm yellow, mixing them together first. Again, we're going to continue with the same technique now. Alright. So we start with the same, but now this time we keep the brush a little tilted, like 45 degrees, and we go 1, 2, and 3. So we are not making a pointed stroke like the cherry blossoms or the lotus, but we're going to be making them a little slanted, okay, or like a little U shape. So you can also make it a little U shape, and then again go back in and remove some color. This technique is very important when you're painting with these lavenders. Sorry, when you're painting these beautiful flowers like tulips and stuff. And again, we're going to make another stroke, which is going to start from here and then come inside inwards. Now this stroke is similar to what we're doing, but it's a little curved. Now we've been doing a straight stroke. Now here we're going to be doing a curved stroke. This is becoming like a C on both the ends. Okay. While you're painting the tulip or lotus, you will notice the base of the color, the base of the flower is quite broad. And that broadness is important when you're painting these flowers especially. Okay. And then again, we make one in the center. Use as less water as you can, or else the color will just run away from here to there and create a little chaos. And finally, add in some dark tones. Now here, when you add, you can also add a dark tone like this, creating like a V shape on the top of the petal. Okay. Remember, less water, more color, and that's how you will get a nice dark toned stroke for your center, creating beautiful beautiful wide 3D effect that you want for your flowers. And here, since the base is longer, again like the tulips, like the lotus, I'm gonna make a nice long tip. Nice. Pretty. And in this, the leaves of for the tulips, you're gonna do is you're gonna take the leaf and you're gonna make a leaf that is coming outwards like this, a long leaf, but it's actually kind of touching the tulip. It's not like simply just around it. It's mostly with the tulip. It grows inside the tulip, or it feels like it's a part of the tulip. It's not around it or somewhere else. Okay, and I added in the color, and then again I'm going to remove some color, create a nice little bit of just a nice little bit of space for the leaf. Okay, now let's try making another one so that it becomes a little easier for you to paint. This still has a nice open pocket, which is looking a little bit of opened, or like a 3D viewish 3D view to your tulip. You can also make a tulip which is more closed, you could say. Just similar technique, go inwards, right? You can paint different types of flowers in my series. Every alternate weeks, I come up with a different type of flowers. You can paint along with me and learn with me different and come along with me in this journey of painting and discovering different flowers with using simple, easy strokes. I'm not going to be using different types of strokes, but very easy ones. And we're going to be painting multiple flowers. I'm going to try and paint something different every alternate week over here on our channel, Me with the Pencil. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share it with your friends who really love flowers like us. You know, I like to deconstruct a flower and create a flower like this, because this way it becomes easier to understand any flower. To paint and understand a flower, it becomes just like, oh, it can be made, it can be painted just using the same type of stroke. So it's easy, it's fun. Okay, this is your, oh, I forgot. So like here, I forgot to add my stroke here. So I have to do it while it is dried. If you do something like that, if you forget to add your stroke, you can then blend it with a damp stroke, with a damp brush. Sorry. Okay. While it's still drying, let's make another tulip. Easy one, but like similar types, but go ahead and make some color. And in this one, I'm not going to be creating any third, fourth petal. I'm just going to make three petals. I mean, if you want to make another petal, you can. Over here, it's entirely up to you. I'm going to take some dark yellows, sorry, dark crimson, and I'm adding them here, creating a nice sense of space in between the tulips. So this has actually kind of like blended into each other, but I like the effect. It is obviously still looking like a tulip and has a really good whatever, something of its own happening over there. And go in, add some tulip shapes. And again, I'm going to be adding some leaves over here going outwards. Okay, so a simple tulip. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed painting tulips with just one stroke and using the same stroke, that is the dewdrop stroke, again and again with different technique, adding a different type of curve. Um, so I'll see you in the next tutorial, and if you hope you like the class, and if you like the tutorial, please do like, subscribe, share, and share it with your friends so they can also try this beautiful flower and explore this one stroke painting. Also, please do let us know in the comments, like in every video, if you could leave some comments below so that we understand what we can do better and how the video was. It really helps us to create different types of videos and explore different avenues, different and to try something different for this, for you and for us. So do let us know what you liked in the video and what we can do better. All right. Thank you so much for joining in. I'll see you next class. Bye bye.